Hello everyone, so I thought I'd just jump on quickly and do another quick EFT video on overwhelm in life, and especially these times, we can definitely become overwhelmed with many things, from, taking care of the bills, looking after children, different things in our life, friends, family, things just not working out, how we want, or our expectations of how things should be happening. So that can create overwhelm, whatever area of life it is. So with emotional freedom technique, we can not change the things that are happening in the outside world, but we can change how we feel about it. Thus, that might then, support us to perceive the situation differently and lead us to thinking different thoughts. Then we'll have different feelings, and we'll hopefully make different choices about, how, what's going on, and, how that's impacting us, which can lead to a better outcome. At the most, it can, reduce the overwhelm, that you might be experiencing, and helps you feel a bit better. So if you've done any emotional freedom technique, or also known as tapping before, tap along. I'm just going to go through the tapping points really quickly, and then I'll get into doing a few rounds of EFT on overwhelm. And if there's anything to say that doesn't resonate with you, just throw it out, ignore it, don't matter. And if it does, you'll know about it because you'll feel some type of shift. Just be aware that in participating in this video, you are taking full responsibility for your own experience and your own results. So let's get on with it. So gently tapping side of the hand. In EFT, this is known as the karate chop point. And then from here, I'm going to go to, and you're using your right hand, by the way, or you can do the left side as well, but I'm going to do the right because I'm right-handed. So karate chop point, using your finger pads, gently tapping. And from here, into the beginning of the right eyebrow, bridge of the nose, right in that little corner, so you're tapping there. And by doing this, you're tapping the acupressure point here, which sends a signal through your system, clearing any energy blockages within your system. From here, side of the eye, on the bony bit, at the front. This is the eyebrow point. From here, underneath the eye on the fleshy bit, in line with your pupil, gently tap in. Just notice your breathing. Maybe slow the tapping down a bit if you're going a little bit too fast. And then from here, underneath the nose, above the top lip. And from here, the crease of the chin. Come down to the left side at the end of the collarbone, on that kind of ball, the bone. Tap like this, or like this. Make sure you definitely get the point. And then from here, underneath the arm, about 4 inches down, tap the side of your body here. So even just tapping like we have done now, without even saying anything connected to a specific issue, will clear your system a little bit and just release a little bit of energy within your mind, within your body. Okay, that's fine. So now we're going to tap on overwhelm. So I'm just going to say a few things and say some some rounds. If it resonates with you, great, and if it don't, throw it out. So gently tapping. So I'll say a phrase and I'll leave a gap, and then you'll repeat that phrase after I've said it. So I'll always leave a gap after I've said a phrase. Even though I'm feeling this overwhelm right now, and I am feeling this overwhelm right now, and I completely and totally love and accept myself anyway. Even though I'm feeling this overwhelm right now, and I am feeling it right now, I can feel it in my body, in my chest, in my head, in my stomach. I can feel this overwhelm here right now. And it's okay. I completely and totally love and accept myself anyway. So even though I'm feeling this overwhelm right now, and I am feeling it, it's been here for a while, there's so much going on, and it just feels like things are catching up with me. I just feel so overwhelmed. And I do. I completely and totally love and accept myself. And I accept how I feel anyway. Eyebrow point. This overwhelmed feeling that's here right now. Side of the eye. This overwhelming feeling that's here right now. Under the eye. This overwhelming feeling in my head, chest and stomach that's here right now. This overwhelming feeling that's in my head, chest and stomach that's here right now. Chin. This overwhelming feeling that's in my head, chest and stomach, and it's here right now. Collarbone. This overwhelming feeling that's here right now. I just feel so overwhelmed. There I am. This overwhelming feeling that's here right now. And it is here right now. And what if that's okay? Take a deep breath in. And just notice what's going on for you now. Gently close your eyes. Scan from the top of your head all the way down to your feet. Just notice how you're feeling. Take a deep breath in again. Exhale. Gently open your eyes. Let's do another round. Gently tap in. Even though this overwhelming feeling's still there, I can feel it in my head, stomach and chest, and I can. It's still there. This overwhelming feeling. I completely and totally accept how I feel, and I want to accept me anyway. So even though it's still there, this overwhelming feeling, and it is, and what if that's okay? And what if it is okay? I just feel so overwhelmed. I completely and totally love and accept me anyway. Eyebrow point. This remaining overwhelming feeling. Side of the eye. This remaining overwhelming feeling in my head, chest and stomach. Under the eye. This overwhelming feeling that's in my head, chest and stomach. To the nose. This remaining overwhelming feeling in my head, chest and stomach. Chin. Still there. Yeah, and it is there. Collarbone. What if I could let it go? And what if I could let it go? What would that mean? To the arm. this overwhelming feeling. It's in my head, chest and stomach. And what if I could let it go? And I have a choice to let it go. What if I do have a choice to let it go? I'd like to be open to letting it go. Take a deep breath in. Gently closing your eyes, just notice how you feel, scanning your body, your mind, your emotions from the top of your head all the way down to your feet. So allowing whatever experience to be here that you're having. Notice if that overwhelming feeling or sense in the mind or in the body or the emotions has reduced. If it has, fantastic. If it needs to come down more, maybe just play the video again and do another couple of rounds. This video can be used more, it could be used every other day, it could be used every day. You can learn the process of EFT and tap for yourself in a specific way to what's going on for you as well. Thanks for taking part and just having a go. I hope you feel better soon if you're feeling overwhelmed or if you're feeling stressed or anything. I know we're living in difficult times, but we've got to keep moving forward, we've got to stay strong, we've got to look after ourselves. So have a good evening, stay blessed and look after yourself. Bye for now.